हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है रूपल जैन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल पढ़ाई विद एआई। इस सीरीज के थ्रू हम देखेंगे कुछ ऐसे एआई टूल्स जो कि आपके यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन को बहुत ही इजी, इफेक्टिव और एफिशिएंट बना सकते हैं। आई हैव गिवन 4 यूपीएससी अटेम्प्ट्स, 3 मेंस एंड 2 इंटरव्यूज, सो आई नो द प्रोसेस in and out. I have worked in Niti Aayog in the Frontier Technologies vertical and currently managing tech policy for Reliance Industries. So I know the AI technology in and out. दोनों को mix and match करके I have brought to you this series. So I have identified some problems that I used to face as a UPSC aspirant, and then I have identified and researched some AI tools that will be useful to solve these problems. Not only I will tell you which AI tools to use, I will give you a live demonstration how to use them and how not to use them. So watch this video till the end because I'm sure you will gain some amazing hacks to transform your UPSC preparation in this age of artificial intelligence and become a tech-savvy civil servant. So coming to the first problem. Current affairs are indispensable in UPSC preparation. When I used to study, I used to regularly keep my laptop open, refer to news articles relevant to that topic. So for example, I'm studying about economy, I'll go back and check about the monetary policy, inflation rates right now. If I'm reading about environment, I'll check about the recent developments, newly added Ramsar sites. Suppose I'm reading about international relations, so I have to read about, I go to Indian Express, I want to read about the Israel-Palestine conflict. Let's see. So one of the news article is free. I read through it. I want to further read another article in opinions. I want to read about Middle East policy. Now this is a premium article. To access this now, I have to pay a hefty amount. What if I tell you, you do not need to pay for the subscription anymore? I present to you an AI tool with which, a magical tool, with which you never need to pay for any subscription. You can read unlimited news articles without paying. Just go to 12ft.io. I go to 12ft.io. 12feet.io. So they say that wherever there is a paywall, they've built a ladder around the paywall. All I have to do is go to 12ft.io, copy this link from Indian Express and paste it over here. And guys, now see the magic. Do you want to see the magic? So this premium article is now available for you free of cost, without any subscription, without any paywall. Guys, I think that the amount that you paid for the course is already recovered, right? This is the power of AI. All the paywalls are removed. You can access unlimited number of articles without having to subscribe to today's model of newspapers.